Hello everyone, in this video I will share about adding media files in our component development in Joomla 5. So media file means you need to add the files of JavaScript, CSS files and image file. We have to add these files in media, so it is called media files. To add the media files, let's go to our component, administrator components, and here in our hello component, let's create a media file. Let's give this as media. Here create 3 files for JavaScript, for CSS and for image. Now for the CSS file, JavaScript file, images file, we have to add in this media folder, and we have to call them from our templates and use them. First, let's try to add an image and test. I will add an image in this image folder. Now I have added the Joomla image. Now I have to call this file and show in our template. So to call this Joomla picture, go to our template, files, view file in dev4.php. The view for the dev4.php is now this template. So in this dev4.php, let's call that image and use. So to call the image, let's show the image under the form. Let's try how it looks like. img src equal slash, and here we have to call with PHP tag, PHP echo and URI root. Under that we have to add the file location. So copy, you can easily copy the path, paste it here, or remove unnecessary text. Now we are calling from the administrator components, hello, and that, and our media, and our image, and joomla.png. After that, close the PHP tag and give the as example image and close the image tag. Now don't forget to add this URI here, Joomla CMS URI. Let's save and run this. Now example image, it is not working correctly. Let's look at in our course. Here I added administrator components, hello media, joomla.php, and here I added extra slash. So clear this and let's try again. Now you can see the image. So we have to add in the assets folder, in image folder, and call like this: php tag, open php tag, and write echo URI root and the file path. Then you can use the media file. Also the same for CSS. Now let's trying to add one CSS file for style.css. Now let's write some CSS code. Yeah, that is form, so let's do style for form. Background color red. Let's try this. To call the CSS file, we have to write, it's not the same with image file. We have to write like this: factory get application, and there get document, and there get web asset set manager. We have to write like this, so we give the WA for web access manager, so give this name, and the next line the register and use style. We have to write this method, and here our component name com_hello.style, and here write the URL path, our CSS file path, copy path, and right here and close this. Now we have called the CSS file, so let's try and run. Let's go to our project and refresh. Now there is the background is red. That is the default color of the table, so it is not good in UI. So cut this and write, let's write and from h2 this is Joomla, and let's style this h2 as color red. Let's try and run again. Yeah, it is using the default color of Joomla. When we call h2, it is using the default color. So let's give this important and run again. Now you can see h2 in red color. So this is connecting with CSS file, and the next one is let's connect with JS file. Let's give this script.js. Let's write the JS code. For example, console.log, this is Joomla, and to call this JS file, it is similar with CSS file. Let's copy this and Now we have to change here register and use style, not style. Now register and use script. Here also com hello dot script. After that, the JS file location, JS script.js. Now save and try. Run again and open console. Here in console you can see this is Joomla. Now we have successfully connected the JavaScript file also. So in this video I share about how to add the media files and how to connect in our custom component. So thank you very much for your attention.